In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually pay your Shopify bill. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply exploring more hands-on methods to manage your financial transactions on the platform, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to complete this task effectively. First things first, let's head over to Shopify's main page. This can be easily done by navigating to their website. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any login errors. After you have entered your email, you'll then be asked to input your password. Ensure you type your password correctly to gain access to your Shopify admin panel. Remember, your Shopify admin is where all the magic happens, from managing your products to analyzing sales reports. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the My Store home page, which serves as your main dashboard for navigating through different Shopify administrative tasks. Now let's move on to the financial aspect of things. On your Shopify admin dashboard, you'll find the Settings button, usually located at the bottom left of the page. Clicking on Settings will unfold various options, but for our purpose today, you want to click on Payments. This section manages all your store's payment gateways and billing information. Within the Payments section, you will see an option for Manual Payment Method. This is particularly useful for store owners who wish to enable payment methods outside the standard credit card processing. Click on this to explore the manual payment methods available to you. For those of you who might be interested in customizing your payment options further, Shopify allows you to create custom payment method. This is perfect if you have specific payment instructions you wish to communicate to your customers. For instance, if you're offering a unique service or handling transactions differently, this feature can be tailored to suit those needs. Now, let's delve into the specific types of manual payments you can enable on your Shopify store. One popular option is bank deposit. This is ideal for businesses that prefer receiving payments directly into their bank account. You'll need to provide details such as your bank name, account number, and any specific instructions for your customers on how to make the deposit. It's essential to be clear and concise in your instructions to ensure a smooth transaction process for your customers. Another option available to you is money order. Similar to the bank deposit, you will be required to add the necessary details for customers to follow through with a money order to complete their purchase. For stores that accept payments upon the delivery of goods, cash on delivery, SOD, is an option worth considering. This method could be particularly appealing if you're operating locally or prefer to handle transactions in person. Regardless of the manual payment method you choose, adding clear and detailed instructions is crucial. These details guide your customers through their payment process, ensuring both parties are on the same page. Once you've filled in the necessary information for your preferred payment method, save your settings. Remember, each payment method you enable comes with its responsibilities. It's essential to keep track of payments made through these methods to ensure your accounting is accurate and up to date. Regular monitoring and communication with your customers will help manage these manual payments effectively. And that's it. You now know how to manually pay your Shopify bill by setting up alternative payment methods tailored to your business needs. By following these steps, you can offer more flexibility to your customers, potentially increasing your sales opportunities. Ensure to revisit these settings periodically to tweak or update any details that might have changed, like bank information or payment instructions. Keeping these details accurate is key to maintaining a smooth payment process for your customers. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on setting up manual payment methods on Shopify. Whether you're looking to offer more payment options or simply get a better handle on managing your store's finances, these steps will set you on the right path. Remember, the most successful Shopify stores are those that are adaptable, responsive to customer needs, and meticulous about financial management. Happy selling!